Remove your decal from the box and make sure all the pieces are present. Before you begin installation, make sure your wall is clean and dry and separate all the pieces using a pair of scissors. Use the provided squeegee to rub the front and back surfaces of the graphic firmly. To make lining the bottom of the tree up with the wall easier, cut away any excess paper. Position your decal on the wall with painter's tape. When you're happy with the placement, proceed by taping the decal across the middle with a long strip or two of tape. Slowly peel back one side of the transfer paper from the backing paper. If any edges don't come up with the transfer paper, simply repress the transfer paper, rub the design firmly with your finger, and try again. While holding the transfer paper with the design folded down, use your scissors to cut away the blank backing paper. Hold the bare half of the design a few inches above the wall with slight tension. Use your hand or provided squeegee to soothe the decal onto the wall, starting from the center and working your way out. Carefully fold over the bottom half. Slowly remove the rest of the backing paper and press the rest of the design to the wall. Use some water to get the surface of the transfer paper wet. This will help make the next step easier. Starting from a corner, gently start to peel back the transfer paper. It's usually easiest to pull at a 180-degree angle. Be sure to take your time and use your finger to push any stubborn edges back against the wall. Now let's begin adding the branches. Line your first piece up on the wall to make sure it's the correct match. Peel back about an inch or two of the backing paper and line the two squares up with the ones on the wall. Press the exposed part to the wall, remove the rest of the backing paper, and smooth the rest of the branch onto the wall. If a registration mark is missing, no need to fear, you can still install it without it. The extra pieces have a slight overlap to ensure you don't end up with the wall peeking through. Any weird parts that don't match up can easily be trimmed up with a sharp blade. For the leaves, simply peel and stick. Thank you for choosing Wallums. We hope you'll share your photos of your new wall art with us.